Let's weld at this corner over here. I'm getting ready to do this corner. I'm gonna file it down and everything. And I'm gonna do the next one. Butterfingers, butterfingers. And this one has a gap in it, so I got to fill in the gap to get it to go right. But once I get it filled in, it's going to look just like this one. But this also had a little gap. Wasn't actually flush. I mean, I'm not a beginner at this, or I'm a beginner at this, so I'm not, you know, gonna say I'm a professional welder. I'm just learning. You can't hurt me for learning, right? But I got this shit down pat, y'all. Alright. Get that out of view there. Yeah, that didn't work right. I missed it. Drop my foot. It's too hot. It's alright, cause see, we'll get that. We'll let that cool off. Like I said, that was a big gap in there. We gotta fill that gap in. Yeah, see? Now we just sealed it up. Just seal that one up. You know what I'm saying? We're making mistakes as we go. But we're fixing our mistakes as we go. All I'm saying. So right now I'm about to hit this corner here. can't really see it, but I got it. Yep. I would just let that cool off. Like I said, we had a gap right there. Alright, and the metal is too weak and my thing gets a little hot, so it drills hole. It would cut the steel if I'm not careful. And I put a hole in it when I was doing that one, but I covered up the hole at the same time as I was welding it together. What we got is a nice little puddle of weld right here. It's nice and thick, nice and good puddles. It goes back and forth like this in a circular motion. Not small, but big puddles. We put a lot of material right there. And we also put a lot of material down inside the edge corner here to make sure that it was also put together. Like I said, this is just our trial piece right here, just so we can get familiar with how, working with a welder. What you see right here is I welded that down. I grinded it down nice and smooth. Not smooth enough. It needs some more work. Alright, but we got it down. You can see that it's solid. Right where we wanted to weld it at, which is right there. And right here. Alright, and we can see that we got a nice thick weld there because we're grinding and we got plenty of material in that area. So we know we're solid there. Alright. Now we're going to keep grinding it down to get it nice and smooth out. And then we'll test the structural by using a hammer. Alright. As long as it's solid, we're good. That's all we need is a solid piece of metal here. with a nice support system. So when we get ready to put the whole framework together, we have our structural support to hold what we need on what we needed to hold. Alright? Now we're gonna try and get in that corner there. And we're gonna get that corner grounded down. And then we're gonna flip it over and do the other side. Yeah, boy. That's what I'm talking about. When you sit there and you let them sparks fly. Yeah. Right there. We got a nice little good hole down there. Right there in the crease there. Nice solid piece. Ooh, that's hot. That is hot. So we're good to go on that side there. Now we're going to work on this side. Then we're going to flip it over. So we'll be right back. We're going to turn this around. We're going to do it again.